When business firms face intense price competition, there's three strategies that they might employ: price matching, brand loyalty, and randomized pricing. Okay, so price matching is when a firm sets a price, and if its competitor offers a lower price, then it would match its competitor's price. Okay, so this is one way to avoid the Nash equilibrium in a price competition game. Okay, so if both business firms adopt the price matching policy, they can both set the high price and earn the high profits. Okay, and this, in a way, this is a form of a trigger strategy where you are announcing to the world that you're going to cut your price if your competitor cuts their price. Okay, and it's not without problems. Of course, consumers will try to scam the business firm and say that they found a lower price somewhere else, and so business firms might require some sort of proof, an ad in the paper, or a receipt. And then it's also going to be problematic if your competitor has lower costs. So this price matching is going to work best as a way of both firms charging a high price if they both have the same cost structure. Okay, so imagine that you can get your consumers to be loyal to your brand through things like advertising campaigns and frequent buyer programs. Okay, so in this situation, if a competitor comes in and offers and charges a lower price, then your brand loyal customers will continue buying the product at the high price from you as long as that price gap is not too large. Then a third strategy for dealing with intense price competition is to create some uncertainty on the part of consumers with randomized pricing. And so randomized pricing is when the business firm charges different prices on purpose. And when it does that, it kind of hides price and cost information from its consumers and rivals. Okay, so what this does is it makes it harder for consumers to learn which business firm charges the lowest price, and it makes it harder for competing business firms to charge a lower price than the firm that's offering randomized pricing. Okay, so some economists have said that the airline industry engaged in a strategy of randomized pricing. And then one problem might be that it's not always profitable to do this. Randomizing the pricing is costly in itself. So let's say you have to hire someone to figure out what the randomized prices should be. And so those additional costs might make it less profitable for the business firm to engage in randomized pricing than to do something like price matching.